Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we saw how to install OpenSearch and OpenSearch dashboards, and we even saw how to install Zeek in Ubuntu. So today in this video we'll see how to send logs, either Zeek or any logs from logs using Logstash to OpenSearch. Let me check the status of OpenSearch first. So systemctl status OpenSearch. No, we can see it's active and running. Now I'll check the status for OpenSearch dashboards. It's also running, so I'll clear it out. And let me check the status of Zeek CTL before. And Zeek CTL status, I guess it's crashed. So yeah, let's run the deploy command. So Zeek CTL must start now. Let me check the status once more. So yes, Zeek CTL is running now. So now let me clear this out, and I'll go to the OpenSearch downloads page and I'll copy the link for Logstash. Using this will send the logs, so I'll use wget command to download Logstash. Logstash has been downloaded successfully. Let me clear the screen and let me unzip it using tar command, tar -zpxf Logstash. Let me wait for a while. Let me clear the screen. So let me change the directory to the Logstash. Sorry, my bad. Wait. So yeah, Logstash, and let me clear it. So let me install the plugin required to send data using Logstash, which is Logstash dash output dash out OpenSearch. We can download this using bin/logstash plugin install command. Let me wait for a while till the plugin gets installed. Now that the plugin is installed successfully, let me clear the screen and let me try to run Logstash. Bin/logstash -e input and stdn, and yeah, so and output std out. Sorry, yeah, and let me close it. Yeah, let me run it now. So we can see the Logstash agent is running now. The pipeline is running. So let me type in hello world. We can see a timestamp and the message with the original message and the event being generated. So let me stop the Logstash and let me clear the screen out. Now let me go to the Zeek home directory, which is opt/Zeek. This is the directory because we installed using the binary packages in the last video. So here the logs are stored in cd log/current directory. So we must remember this directory to mention in Logstash to send which log file. So let me go back to the Logstash directory, which is home/1/logstash, and let me go to the config directory. Just let me create a pipeline file, pipeline configuration file, nano pipeline.conf, and let me define my input section, input, and let me mention the input to be the codec type to be JSON type. So codec JSON, and let me mention the file path, the file, and the path must be set to /opt/zeek/logs/current. Change the path if your path is different, it might also be /etc/zeek/log/current. Once check the directory and change accordingly. And since we need all logs, let me mention start.log. Let me supply the wildcard here. And output section, I will use the OpenSearch module in the output section. In OpenSearch, I have to define my host. My host must be set to the OpenSearch address https 192.168.0.174, which is my OpenSearch IP address, and the port is 9200 as we know. Let me check the IP address. Let me confirm it once. So I'll use the curl command, curl -x get https 192.168.0.174 and port is 9200. The username will be admin and give the password -k. Yeah, so OpenSearch IP address is correct. So let me go ahead and now let me define the authentication type using auth_type. Let me set it to, in this, first let me define my type of authentication to basic. And I'll give my username and password also. Username will be admin and password for OpenSearch. And let me close auth_type. Now let me define an index name for these logs. I'll name it Zeek, and the conventional year and month and date, Zeek/Zeek-% and inside the flower braces plus /y right .mm.dd, and let me close the flower braces and listen. And now let me, as we have SSL also, SSL certificate verification I will set to false at this moment. SSL_certificate_verification. Verification I'll set it to false. And let me close the cloud and let me save the file. I'll go to the Logstash directory now, and let me try to run Logstash bin/Logstash and the configuration file with -f config/pipeline.conf and -- config.reload. I'll set the reload.automatic flag. Let me run this command. While Logstash starts running, let me try to access the OpenSearch dashboards. So 192.168.0. and the IP address is 174 and the port number is 5601 for OpenSearch dashboards. The username will be admin and the password no need to here. Confirm. Let me go to the discover section. In the discover section we can see we don't have any logs right now. There is no index pattern of the there is some error in our Logstash. Let me stop it and let me see what the error is. I think I have supplied the URI which is not valid. I guess that's the error. Once let me go to the config, clear this out, and let me go to the config directory and let me check the pipeline file. And yeah, the URI host address I have applied is wrong, which is https I must apply 2 slashes // yeah, now it's correct. Let me save this and let me go back and let me run again. I guess now it must start running properly. So we can see the pipelines are running successfully. Let me refresh this. Let me go and create an index pattern. As of now, I can't see any index patterns with name Zeek. So I'll try to ping the Zeek machine so that it will generate the logs 192.168.0.133. So there's a HTTP post running over there. Let me wait for a while. Let me now try to refresh the page. I guess now Zeek must come up. Yeah, we can see the Zeek index being created. So I'll define the index pattern using Zeek dash and the wildcard and time field at the rate timestamp, and I'll create the index pattern. So we have created a successful index pattern for Zeek logs. I'll go to the discover section now, and here we can see the logs, Zeek logs being generated. Now let me stop the ping command, and using this discover section we can view logs and we can even create dashboards also. So that's all for today. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and like the video and share. Thank you.